struggling to lose that stubborn belly fat? You're not alone. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or restarting after a long break, this video is your step-by-step guide to melting belly fat with simple beginner-friendly moves. No gym, no equipment, just 10 effective exercises you can do right at home. Ready to feel lighter, stronger, and more confident in your own skin? Let's get started. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Welcome to your new beginning. If you've been feeling frustrated, tired of tight clothes, or simply overwhelmed by fitness routines that are too complicated or intense, this video is for you. We understand how hard it can be to take that first step, but today you already have. By pressing play, you've committed to showing up for yourself, and that's powerful. This is a belly fat workout designed specifically for beginners. You don't need any equipment, fancy gym memberships, or hours of free time. All you need is about 20 minutes, a little bit of space, and the willingness to move. Each of these 10 exercises targets belly fat while improving your strength, boosting your metabolism, and helping you build momentum day by day. We'll guide you through each move with clear instructions, modifications if you're just getting started, and encouragement to keep pushing forward. Don't worry about doing every rep perfectly. The most important thing is consistency. Show up every day, do your best, and you'll see results not just in your body, but in your energy, your mood, and your confidence. Let's dive into the 10 moves that will start transforming your belly today. Exercise 1. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are a powerful move that targets your upper and lower abs while also working your obliques. Start by lying on your back with your hands behind your head and knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Lift your shoulders off the floor and bring your right elbow toward your left knee while straightening your right leg. Then switch sides, bringing your left elbow to your right knee. Continue alternating in a pedaling motion for 45 to 60 seconds. This exercise mimics the motion of riding a bicycle but packs a serious core sculpting punch. It engages multiple abdominal muscles simultaneously and helps tone and define your midsection. To make the most of this move, keep your lower back pressed into the ground and avoid pulling on your neck. Focus on slow, controlled movements rather than speed. For beginners, you can modify by keeping your feet closer to the floor or performing the move with just the legs while keeping your head down. Bicycle crunches are a classic of exercise that delivers results quickly, perfect for burning belly fat and building strong, defined abs from day one. Exercise 2. Marching glute bridge. The marching glute bridge is a beginner-friendly floor exercise that targets your lower belly and strengthens your glutes, a combo that helps burn fat and improve core stability. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the ground, and arms resting by your sides. Lift your hips off the floor into a bridge position. Now, keeping your hips lifted, slowly raise your right foot a few inches off the ground as if you're marching. Lower it back down and switch to the left foot. Keep alternating legs while holding your hips steady. Do this move for 30 to 60 seconds. If your hips begin to drop or your lower back arches, pause and reset. It's better to do it right than to do more. This move doesn't just work your abs, it targets your hamstrings, glutes, and lower back too. When these muscles are strong, your core works more efficiently and your posture improves, making it easier to burn fat and prevent injury. Plus, since you're on the floor, it's low impact and gentle on the joints. That makes it ideal if you're starting out or have knee pain. Consistency with this exercise will help you feel stronger and more stable from the center out. Exercise 3. Dead bug. The dead bug is a top-tier core stability exercise that's perfect for beginners because it trains coordination and strengthens deep belly muscles without straining your neck or back. Lie flat on your back with arms extended straight up toward the ceiling and legs lifted with knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly lower your right arm and left leg toward the floor simultaneously while keeping your lower back pressed into the ground. Bring them back to the starting position and switch sides. Repeat for 45 to 60 seconds. Keep your core engaged the entire time to prevent your back from arching. Move slowly. This isn't about speed but control. This move builds mind-body awareness and strengthens the transverse abdominis, which acts like an internal corset pulling your waist in. That's key to flattening your belly over time. If it feels too hard at first, start with just arms or legs until you build strength. This exercise doesn't just sculpt your abs, it helps you move better in everyday life by teaching your body to stabilize while your limbs move. Dead bug is a go-to core move for athletes and physical therapists alike. Add it to your routine and feel the difference. Exercise 4. Standing side crunches. Standing side crunches are a fun and effective way to target your obliques and shed love handle fat. Stand tall with feet hip width apart and place your hands behind your head, elbows wide. Lift your right knee toward your right elbow while bending your torso sideways. Squeeze your obliques at the top. Return to the starting position and repeat on the left side. Alternate sides in a steady, controlled rhythm. Do this for 45 to 60 seconds. This exercise doesn't just tone your waistline, it also challenges your balance, improves core strength, and gets your heart pumping. To make it harder, don't let your foot rest between reps. Keep your core tight and move with purpose. This movement mimics the motion of a crunch but with less strain on the spine, making it perfect for beginners or those with back discomfort. Imagine each crunch sculpting your waistline and melting inches away. That mental connection keeps you motivated and focused. Pair this with a clean diet and daily movement and those belly rolls won't stand a chance. Exercise 5. Toe touches. Toe touches are a classic yet powerful exercise for engaging the upper abs and improving flexibility. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended straight up toward the ceiling and arms reaching for your toes. Inhale to prepare, then exhale and crunch up slightly, lifting your shoulders off the mat as you try to touch your toes. Lower back down slowly and repeat for 30 to 45 seconds. The key here is to reach with intention, not force. Even if you can't touch your toes, reaching as far as you can will still activate your abdominal muscles effectively. Toe touches also help you improve flexibility in your hamstrings and lower back, which is a bonus for posture and injury prevention. Don't yank your neck or use momentum. This is all about slow, controlled core activation. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor for maximum safety and impact. If your neck feels strained, support your head lightly with one hand and reach with the other. Over time, you'll feel your abs getting stronger and your crunches becoming more powerful. This move is a strong mid-workout burner that keeps your momentum going. Exercise 6. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a beginner version of the classic fat-burning move. Start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Instead of running your knees, and slowly bring your right knee toward your chest, then return it back and switch to the left. Move slowly and with control for 30 to 45 seconds. This movement keeps your core engaged while gently elevating your heart rate. It's an excellent full body burner that activates your abs, shoulders, and legs all at once. Make sure your hips don't sag and your back doesn't arch. A strong, stable plank form is more important than speed. As your endurance improves, you can increase the pace to build more intensity. If a plank is too challenging right now, perform this move with your hands elevated on a bench or couch. You'll feel this one working quickly, and it's great for carving out a tighter waistline without putting stress on your joints. Exercise 7. Elbow to knee standing crunch. This standing move mimics a crunch but without getting down on the floor. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart. Place your hands behind your head with your elbows wide. Lift your right knee while twisting your torso so your left elbow meets your knee in the center. Return to start and repeat on the other side. Continue alternating sides for 60 seconds. You'll feel your obliques light up along with your lower abs, thighs, and hips. Keep your core braced and avoid pulling on your neck. If you want to increase the intensity, perform the move faster or add a slight hop. For beginners, go slow and focus on control. This is an excellent move to improve balance, coordination, and waistline definition. It gets your heart rate up while toning key belly fat areas. Try doing this in front of a mirror. You'll notice your form improving day by day. A few minutes a day of this exercise will create a visible difference in your midsection and overall energy. Exercise 8. Seated in outs. This beginner-friendly move focuses on the lower belly while training balance and coordination. Sit on the floor or a mat with hands behind you for support, fingertips pointing toward your hips. Lean back slightly, lift your feet off the floor and bend your knees. Now extend your legs straight out, then bring them back in toward your chest. Repeat this in and out motion for 45 to 60 seconds. Move slowly and stay controlled throughout the movement. Seated in outs are incredibly effective at activating your lower abs. You'll also feel this in your thighs and hip flexors, giving you a complete core and lower body burn. If you're just starting out, keep your hands closer to your hips for added support, or try doing one leg at a time. This movement is gentle on the spine and can be done in small spaces without any equipment. It's a perfect fat-burning alternative to harder moves like bicycle crunches. Focus on quality over speed and breathe out as you extend your legs for maximum abdominal engagement. You'll feel the burn and the results right where you want them most. Exercise 9. Hollow body hold. The hollow body hold is a powerful core exercise that helps build deep abdominal strength and stability. Lie flat on your back with arms extended overhead and legs straight. Lift your shoulders and legs a few inches off the floor, keeping your lower back pressed firmly into the ground. Your body should form a slight curve like a hollow banana shape. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. Rest briefly, then repeat if possible. This move strengthens your entire core, including your lower abs, upper abs, and deep stabilizers. It's often often used in gymnastics and calisthenics to build serious midsection strength. If you're a beginner, bend your knees or keep your arms at your sides to make the hold easier. The key is keeping that lower back glued to the floor at all times. As your strength improves, increase the hold time or perform short pulses within the position to intensify the challenge. The hollow body hold is tough, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Stick with it and you'll notice a dramatic improvement in core control, posture, and belly fat reduction. Exercise 10. Russian twists. Russian twists are an excellent exercise for targeting the obliques and trimming your waist. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet either lifted or resting lightly on the floor. Lean back slightly to engage your core, then clasp your hands together and twist your torso to the right, bringing your hands beside your hip. Return to center and twist to the left. Continue alternating sides for 45 to 60 seconds. For beginners, keeping your feet on the floor provides more stability. As you get stronger, try lifting your feet off the ground and twisting with more range for a deeper core challenge. To make this move harder, hold a water bottle or light dumbbell as you twist. Focus on rotating from the waist, not just moving your arms. Keep your spine long and chest lifted to protect your lower back. This twisting motion engages the obliques, helping define your sides while also improving rotational strength and balance. Russian twists are perfect for finishing off your ab routine with a burn that sculpts and strengthens. Stay consistent and you'll feel your waistline tightening with every rep. You made it through all 10 exercises. That's a huge win. Whether this was your first day or part of your new routine, every rep you completed brought you closer to your goals. Remember, results come from showing up consistently, not being perfect. Even if you had to pause or modify, that's okay. The key is that you kept moving, and that's what changes your body and your mindset. Doing this workout just a few times a week can make a noticeable difference. Combine it with staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and nourishing your body with wholesome foods, and you'll start to feel lighter, stronger, and more confident from the inside out. Your journey doesn't stop here. Bookmark this video, challenge yourself to repeat it daily for 7 to 14 days, and watch your progress grow. Share it with a friend who wants to start their journey too. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly fitness videos. Your strongest, healthiest self is waiting. One step at a time, one workout at a time, you're getting there. Keep going, and we'll be right here with you every step of the way. See you in the next workout.